Hi! Today I just want to share with you a good purchase from Fresh Face Manila. You know, I always wanted to have a beauty fridge. So one day, I was scrolling on Instagram and then I saw Fresh Face Manila's IG. And then I checked it out and they're selling beauty fridges. And then, of course, right away, namili na ako. Pero ang napili ko yung pinakamalaki, which is the 10-liter beauty fridge. Of course, I got the bigger one para todo na. Tsaka para pwedeng lalagyan ng tubig para pag nauhaw sa gabi, andyan na agad kasi sa banyo lang. Anyway, ano ba ang nilalagay natin sa beauty fridge? Yung mga kailangan natin ilagay sa beauty fridge, yung mga vitamin C, yung mga mask natin, yung mga eye creams, at saka yung mga beauty tools like yung mga jade roller, yan. Here it is! Ta-da! My new beauty fridge from Fresh Face Manila. And what I love about this product is you can personalize it. You can put your name on it. Sabihin mo lang sa kanila kung ano gusto mo. Siguro natin siyang paandarin ang lagay. So here it is. I just plug it in and we're gonna try it now. Turn it on. We have the on-off switch over here. There. So this is the temperature of the fridge, of course, and we have here the settings. Meron dalawang arrow na up and down, and then this is what's inside. A notebook. They have a free planner for you if you purchase this product. So this is the planner, and this is the closer look of the planner. And then we have another plug. So look, this is for the car actually, but for me I'm not gonna use it in my car. I'm not planning to bring it around, so I'm gonna leave it here. And of course we have the instructions. So it says here this is a mini thermoelectric cooler and warmer. So it's not just a cooler, it's also a warmer. Nice. So this is what's inside the fridge. We have a removable. This one is removable. So kung mataas yung skincare product, pwede mo na i-remove para mag-brush siya dyan. And also, you have this. It's also removable. There. And there is my new beauty fridge. I love it so much. I love the color. It's parang rose gold. And yay! May lagyan na yung mga beauty products, especially yung mga vitamin C at mga mask. Thank you so much, Fresh Face Manila, for delivering this. Also, yung packaging niya is very nice. Nakakarton siya na malaki at meron siyang styrofoam. Kaya safe na safe. So, sa akin lang, hindi ko muna siya pina-under right away. I let it sit for 12 hours. Like yung pag bumibili ka ng totoong ref, di ba ganun? Let it sit for 12 hours before you plug it in and turn it on. Subukan natin lagyan ng mga skincare. I'm so excited kasi meron akong bagong line ng skincare na ginagamit ngayon. And actually, kailangan talaga siyang ilagay sa fridge para humaba ang buhay ng mga ingredients. Especially right now that we use a lot of organic products. So, let's go! That's it for today. I hope it helps. And if you think that you need a beauty fridge just like me, I highly recommend you would go to the IG page of Fresh Face Manila. We have different sizes, depende kung ano gusto mo nandoon sa may IG page nila. Once again, Fresh Face Manila. Okay? Thank you so much. I'll see you guys soon. Good luck.